Okay, so the first experiment from the box, it's called the Inertia egg experiment. And here are the items that you're going to need. First off, we're going to need the big plastic beaker that goes up to 1000 milliliters. We'll place that right there. Then you're going to need one of the aluminium trays that are right there at the bottom of the box. All right. And we're going to need the toilet roll tube, and we're going to need that awesome rubber egg, and one last thing we're going to need from the box is some of the food color. Okay, now this you don't really need it, but it's optional, right? It just makes it look cool, makes it look a little bit cooler. All right, and finally you're going to have to get some water and fill up just regular tap water, room temperature, and fill up your big beaker about halfway with room temperature tap water. There we go. That should be, it doesn't have to be halfway. All right, you can try it with different amounts of water, but halfway is generally best. Then we're going to open up our food color. Okay, carefully just add a drop or two of food color in there if you want to. You don't have to use food color. You're going to see it make some cool patterns in the water anyway once you do it, so it's kind of worth it just for that. Okay, now here I'm just going to use my finger and stir it, but you can use anything else like the stir from the box, a spoon, whatever you want. Now finally, now to set up this experiment, what we're going to do, take our aluminium tray, place it on top of the beaker. Okay, take our toilet roll tube, place that stood upright in the center of the tray. All right, then take this awesome rubber egg and we're going to place it. Now you shouldn't place it upright like that, right? You could try to do it with that, but you'll see you're going to run into a few problems. So what you're going to do instead is to take it and make it sit on its side on top of the toilet roll tube like that. Now the point of this experiment is to try to get the egg into the water without touching the egg. Okay, and you only really have one quick move to do this. Now the way that you can do this is by hitting the tray out of the way with just a nice little slap. Now when you want to do this, I would highly recommend that you take your other hand and you hold the beaker, or if you're doing this with a partner, have them hold the beaker, so that when you hit it, if you accidentally hit the beaker doesn't spill and all the water goes everywhere. Okay, and maybe just, so all you have to do now is holding the beaker, and you're going to just bring your hand in and smack the tray out of the way. It doesn't have to be too hard, but just with enough power for this to clear the beaker. All right, so here it goes. 3, 2, 1. Pretty good, right? Thanks for watching. Bye.